The Sumerians, flourishing from around 4500 to 1900 BCE in southern Mesopotamia, now modern-day Iraq, were pioneers of early civilization. Their society was organized into key city-states such as Ur, Uruk, Lagash, and Eridu. They spoke Sumerian, a language isolate, and are credited with inventing cuneiform, one of the world's first writing systems, initially developed for record-keeping. Their governance was marked by the establishment of city-states with organized governments, which later influenced the famous Hammurabi's Code. Architecturally, they are known for constructing ziggurats, massive step temple structures dedicated to their gods. In mathematics, they developed a base 60 number system, which is still used in timekeeping today, and made significant advancements in calendars and astronomical observations. Their agricultural prowess was demonstrated through complex irrigation canals, enabling farming in the arid lands of Mesopotamia. Over time, the Sumerians gradually assimilated into later cultures like the Akkadians and Babylonians, due to conquest and environmental challenges, leaving a lasting legacy on subsequent civilizations. The Mayans, who thrived from around 2000 BCE to 1500 CE in Mesoamerica, occupied regions that are now Mexico, Guatemala, Belize, Honduras, and El Salvador. Their civilization was centered around major cities such as Tikal, Palenque, Copan, and Chichen Itza. They developed various Mayan languages and a complex hieroglyphic script. The Mayans are renowned for their sophisticated calendar systems, including the long count calendar, which was used to track cosmological cycles and famously misunderstood in 2012. In mathematics, they independently developed the concept of zero and utilized a vigesimal, or base 20, number system. Architecturally, they built grand pyramids, palaces, and observatories aligned with celestial events, allowing them to predict solar and lunar eclipses and track planetary movements with high precision. Their society was deeply religious, practicing polytheism with human sacrifices, and a priestly class managed rituals and knowledge. The mysterious collapse of major southern lowland cities around 900 CE is attributed to factors like drought, warfare, and overpopulation, though northern cities persisted until the Spanish conquest. The Indus Valley Civilization, existing from around 3300 to 1300 BCE in South Asia, covered areas of modern-day Pakistan and northwest India. Major urban centers included Harappa, Mohenjo-Daro, and Dholavira. They used an undeciphered script known as the Indus script, which remains a mystery to this day. The civilization is noted for its advanced urban planning, featuring grid-based cities, sophisticated drainage systems, public baths, and standardized fired brick architecture. Economically, they flourished through agriculture and trade, engaging in commerce with Mesopotamia, including the Sumerians. Technologically, they were advanced in metallurgy, using bronze tools, and developed early systems of weights and measures. Culturally, there is evidence of art, toys, and religious practices, including proto-Shiva figures, and a notable absence of large-scale weapons suggests a relatively peaceful society. The decline of the Indus Valley Civilization is possibly linked to climate change, such as the drying of rivers, tectonic activity, or the breakdown of trade networks, marking the end of one of the ancient world's most enigmatic societies.
Escondido